Right Bite Diabetes Cooking School is a program offered by Alabama Extension. This program helps people with diabetes and high blood pressure achieve better blood sugar and blood pressure control. Right Bite is a diabetes cooking school that teaches the importance of eating healthy foods. You will learn how to control carbohydrate intake, modify fats, and increase fiber in your diet. You will learn meal planning and food preparation skills. The program contains 8 lessons. The lessons include controlling carbohydrates, controlling sweeteners, modifying fats, modifying recipes, reading food labels, portion control, increasing fiber, and lowering sodium intake. For more information on Right Bite Diabetes Cooking School, contact your county extension office or visit our website at www.aces.edu/go/healthyliving.